Hi, welcome to Haven of Excellence, where we get to learn about mathematics and science. So in this particular video, I want us to discuss or rather solve a question that came last year in mathematics paper 1 under internal. The question was actually on question 4. Most pupils, what they say is when it comes to shade, they guess, but you don't have to guess here. People have got problems on how they can shade this one. Let me just try to make this very simple by doing this. Before we start, the question says shade A complement intersection open bracket B intersection C close bracket on the diagram in the answer space below. So we need to shade on this diagram. But how then do we shade? You need to understand that A complement, it means the members that are not contained in set A. Then intersection, it means what is found in both sets. That's what intersection is. So to begin with, you may come up with anything. You may come up with the letters or you may come up with the numbers. So in this case, let us come up with the numbers, and those numbers you're supposed to put them somewhere inside the Venn diagram. So because we are choosing numbers, I'm going to put 1, I'll put 2 here, I'll put 3 here, maybe 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, and 7 there. Okay, so what this means is these numbers, I've just put them randomly. If I wanted, I was going to put a 2 here, a 1 there. I can just do this randomly, just like that. So we are going to start with A complement. Which numbers are not found in A? We know in A we have 1, 2, 3, 6, which means the ones that are not found in A, it's 4, 5, 7. So that's what we are going to write here. 4, 5, 7. These are numbers that are not found in A. Then what about B intersection C? What are the numbers or members that are common in B and C? Intersection of B and C. What is that number? And then we get to find out that that number is actually BC. So that number is a 4. That number happens to be a 4. Then we can now go ahead to answer the question. To answer this one, A complement, we have 4, 5, and 7. Then we have intersection, B intersection C, which we found to be 4. Now we have an intersection here. Intersection means a member which is found in both sets. So which number or member is found here and here, of which you see that it is a 4. So you put your final answer there to be a 4. So this becomes your answer. But now they want you to shade on the Venn diagram. So you shade where a 4 is, and a 4 appears to be here, and then you shade just like that. Like that. And this is how you can answer this question. If you have problems or questions, you can just get to me via WhatsApp. I'll write my WhatsApp line here. It's 0971 14 76 24. We can keep chatting. I offer free lessons. Thank you very much for watching.